Welcome to Aston Martin HWM Walton-on-Thames. My name's Lee Cunningham. I'm part of the sales team here. Got the privilege of presenting this really beautiful DBX. This is a 2021 model year car. So we're just going to run through some of the key elements of the specification just to really give you a feel for what this car represents. It's in a beautiful colour, I think. It's magnetic silver. This is a really quintessential Aston Martin colour. What's really nice about it, it's got a very sort of heavy metallic flick to it in the sunlight, which really gives it a really lovely feel of quality, etc. Key elements of the specification, so we'll just run you through this very briefly. You've got black script badging on the front of the car with the black grille. I think that really is a good contrast to the magnetic silver colour. This is complemented with the black gloss side stripes, upper gloss package, which is obviously the mirrors and window surrounds, lower gloss package, which is the architecture along the base of the car around obviously the front lower part of the bumper. This is covered around about, I think, 23,000 miles from new, so it's been well used, but it's actually in really strong condition. There's very few marks, stone chips, etc. on the car, so it does represent a very good example. Moving on to the wheels, we've got diamond turned alloy wheels, which are complemented with a gloss black paint finish as well. This is really offsets the red Aston Martin brake calipers with black Aston Martin script on those as well. Some of the other key kind of features which I think is really important with this type of colour, we've got privacy glass on the rear, so that's your rear windows, your quarter light glass, your rear screen, also complemented with smoked rear lenses on the back of the car as well. So moving into the interior, the 2021 DBX, really lovely interior. I think this is a perfect specification, particularly with the magnetic silver paintwork. So key theme of the whole interior, the primary colour effectively is obsidian black leather throughout, black dash top, which is key because obviously you don't get any reflection in bright sunlight. This is really highlighted by the heavy spicy red contrasting stitch. This obviously gives a lot more shape, feel and quality to the interior, really gives it a luxury theme. Leather steering wheel, really nice touch is the carbon trim inlay, which is around the centre console, and this is mirrored in terms of your jewellery pack, which is satin dark chrome, which is all your door handles, paddles, etc. around the centre console area. So this really gives it a lovely kind of, like I say, quality element to it. It's in very good condition. There's no real kind of damage or marks on the leather seats at all. You've got lovely broguing on the seats with the contrasting stitch. As I say, it really adds an element of quality and feel to it. This is offset as well by the red contrasting stitch of the Aston Martin wings embossed on the headrest. As I said, condition of the car is outstanding, comes with full Aston Martin service history from new. It's covered 23,700 miles from new as well. Been very well looked after and cherished from day one, and I think if you're in the marketplace for a used DBX, this really represents a great investment opportunity. We've priced it very competitively. You can reserve it online for £99, and we look forward to making an appointment so you can come and view and test drive the car.